Hello students, in the previous video we completed first bit. Let's start the second bit. First problem, limit extends to 1, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 divided by 3x square plus 2x minus 5. So just substitute x equals to 1. So 2 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 3 divided by 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 5. So 2 into 1 square is 2, 5 into 1 5 plus 3 divided by 3 plus 2 minus 5. Add the positive numbers in numerator, 2 plus 3 5 minus 5, and in the denominator 3 plus 2 5 minus 5. So it is equals to 0 divided by 0. So which is indeterminate form. So in this case what we have to do, let's do factorization of numerator and denominator. So limit extends to 1, 2x square minus, here 5x I am writing as a minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 divided by, same in the denominator do factorization. Here 3 5s are 15, so 3x square, 2x can write as a 5x minus 3x minus 5. It is equals to limit extends to 1. So from the first two terms we can take the 2x common, so x minus 1. From the next two terms take minus 1 common, so minus 3 common, x minus 1 divided by, here in the first two terms we can take only x common, so 3x plus 5. Next from these two take the minus 1 common, so 3x plus 5. So it is equals to limit extends to 1. So now x minus 1 is a common into 2x minus 3 divided by, here 3x plus 5 is common into x minus 1. So now in the numerator, denominator has the same factor, that is x minus 1, so we can cancel it. So limit extends to 1. The remaining terms are 2x minus 3 divided by 3x plus 5. Now substitute the x value 1. So 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by 3 into 1 plus 5. 2 into 1 2 minus 3 divided by 3 into 1 3 plus 5. 2 minus 3 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 5 is 8. So answer is minus 1 by 8. Next is second question, limit extends to 1, x square minus 4x plus 3 divided by x square plus 3x minus 4. Substitute x equals to 1, so 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 3 divided by 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 4. So 1 square 1, 4 into 1 4 plus 3 divided by 1 square 1, 3 into 1 3 minus 4. Add the positive values in the numerator, so 4 minus 4, denominator also same, 4 minus 4, so 0 by 0, so is indeterminate form. So now we need to do factorization of numerator and denominator. So limit extends to 1. Here the first term x square, last term 3, so minus 3x minus x plus 3. So minus 4x I am writing as a minus 3x minus x divided by denominator x square plus 3x minus 4. So x square, here 3x can write as a 4x minus x minus 4. So now it is equals to limit extends to 1. From the first two terms we can take x common, so x minus 3. From these two terms take the minus 1 common, so x minus 3 divided by, from these two take x common, so x plus 4. From these two minus 1 common, so x plus 4. It is equals to limit extends to 1, x minus 3 common now, x minus 1 divided by x plus 4 into x minus 1. So we have a same factor in the numerator and denominator, so we can cancel it. So limit extends to 1, x minus 3 divided by x plus 4. Now substitute the x equals to 1, so 1 minus 3 divided by 1 plus 4, minus 2 divided by 1 plus 4 is 5. So minus 2 by 5 is the answer. Third problem, limit x tends to 2, 2x square minus x minus 6 divided by x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 2. Substitute x equals to 2, so 2 into 2 square minus 2 minus 6 divided by 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square plus 2 minus 2. 2 into 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8, and minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. 2 cube 8 minus here also 8, so 2 minus 2, yeah, both are cancelled. 0 by 0, because 8 minus 8 0, denominator also 8 minus 8 0, so it is indeterminate form. So let us do the factorization of numerator and denominator. So limit x tends to 2x square. So here the minus x can write as a minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 divided by, denominator is a cubic polynomial. So here from these two we can take x square common, so then x will be there minus 2, and from these two 1 is common, so then x minus 2. So it is equals to limit x tends to 2. From the first two terms we can take 2x common, so x minus 2. From these two plus 3 common, x minus 2 divided by, here x minus 2 is common, so x square plus 1. So limit x tends to 2. So x minus 2 common in numerator, so 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 into x square plus 1. X minus 2 cancel, so limit x tends to 2, 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 1. Now substitute x equals to 2, so 2 into 2 plus 3 divided by 2 square plus 1. 4 plus 3 divided by 2 square, 4 plus 1 5, so 7 divided by 5. Fourth question, limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 divided by x cube minus 8. Substitute x equals to 2, so 2 minus 2 divided by 2 cube minus 8. 2 minus 2 0, 2 cube is 8, so 0 by 8 minus 8 is 0, so then it is called indeterminate form. So then do factorization of numerator and denominator. So numerator is no factorization, but denominator, see, x cube minus 8 I am writing as a 2 cube, because 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So here we can apply one formula, that is a cube minus b cube formula. So a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So then limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 divided by first a minus b, next to a square plus ab plus b square, so x square plus x into 2 plus 2 square. So limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 divided by, sorry, here we can cancel x minus 2, so then numerator is 1 and denominator is x square plus 2x plus 2 square is 4. Now substitute x equals to 2, 1 divided by 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 4, so 1 divided by 2 square 4, 2 2s are 4 plus 4, so 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, so 1 by 12 is the answer. Fifth problem, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x. So substitute x equals 0, so 1 minus cos 0 divided by 1 minus cos square 0. So it is equals to 1 minus cos 0 is 1 minus divided by 1 minus cos square 0 means cos 0 value 1 whole square. 1 minus 1 0 and 1 minus 1 square is 1, 0 by 0, so it is a indeterminate form. So now let us do factorization. Limit x tends to 0. Here no factorization for numerator, but denominator 1 can write as a 1 square minus cos square x. Here for denominator we can apply one formula, a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So then limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. Then 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x cancel. Limit extends to 0, 1 divided by 1 plus cos x. Now substitute x equals to 0, 1 divided by 1 plus cos 0. So 1 divided by 1 plus cos 0 value 1. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Third bit first column, limit extends to infinity, 4x plus 5 divided by x square plus 2x plus 3. So extends to infinity means there is a different process to solve this problem. The process is, observe the numerator and denominator both together, the highest power is what? X square. So then numerator and denominator both divide with that term. So 4x plus 5 divided by x square, and denominator x square plus 2x plus 3 divided by x square. So limit extends to infinity. Now split into two fractions in numerator. Two fractions. And the denominator three fractions. X square by x square, 2x by x square, 2x by x square, 3 by x square. So then it is equals to, here square x cancel, x square cancel, square x cancel. So limit extends to infinity. So 4 by x plus 5 by x square divided by 1 plus 2 by x plus 3 by x square. It is equals to, limit extends to infinity. 4 by x means 4 into 1 by x. 5 by x square means 5 into 1 by x whole square. 1 plus 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x, plus 3 by x square means 3 into 1 by x whole square. So we know that x tends to infinity, then what will happen? X is equals to infinity, then 1 by x will become 0. So then limit extends to infinity will becomes limit 1 by x tends to 0. So 4 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by x whole square by 1 plus 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by x whole square. Now let's substitute the 1 by x equals to 0. Then simplify. It is equals to 4 into 0 plus 5 into 0 square by 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 square. It is equals to 0 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0 plus 0. So 0 by 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 0 by 1 answer is 0. So this is our required answer. Second problem, limit extends to infinity, 5x square plus x plus 1 divided by 6x square minus 3x minus 5. So the same process in the numerator and denominator together, the highest power is x square. So then x tends to infinity, numerator divide with x square, and denominator also divide with x square. And in the numerator we can make three fractions, 5x square by x square, x by x square, 1 by x square. And in the denominator also same, 6x square by x square minus 3x by x square minus 5 by x square. So it is equals to limit extends to infinity. So here x square cancel, square x cancel, same here also. So then the remaining answer is 5 by x, sorry, only 5 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square divided by 6 minus 3 by x minus 5 by x square. And here x is tends to infinity, then 1 by x tends to 0. So then limit 1 by x tends to 0. So 5 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square can write as a 1 by x whole square. 6 minus 3 into 1 by x minus 5 into 1 by x whole square. Now substitute 1 by x equals to 0. So 5 plus 0 plus 0 square divided by 6 minus 3 into 0 minus 5 into 0 square. So numerator 5, denominator is 6. So 5 by 6 is the answer. Third question, limit extends to infinity 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 4 by x plus 1 into x minus 7. So to know the highest power, we need to multiply the numerator terms and denominator terms. So that is why limit extends to infinity. Here 3x into 2x plus 4 plus 1 into 2x plus 4 divided by x into x minus 7 plus 1 into x minus 7. So limit extends to infinity. 3 into 2x, 3x into 2x, 6x square, 3x into 4, 12x, 2x plus 4 divided by x into x square minus 7x plus x minus 7. So limit extends to infinity. 6x square, 12x plus 2x is 14x plus 4 divided by x square minus 7x plus x is minus 6x minus 7. Now the highest power is x square. Then limit extends to infinity. Numerator divide with x square and denominator also same. So now the numerator write in the three fractions, that is 3x square by x square plus 14x by. So here x square square x cancel, x square square x cancel, and it is equals to limit extends to infinity. So 6 plus 14 by x plus 4 by x square divided by 1 minus 6 by x minus 7 by x square. And we know that x tends to infinity, then 1 by x tends to 0. So limit 1 by x tends to 0. So 6 plus 14 into 1 by x plus 4 into 1 by x whole square divided by 1 minus 6 into 1 by x plus minus 7 into 1 by x whole square. Now substitute 1 by x equals 0. 6 plus 14 into 0 plus 4 into 14 into 0. 4 into 0 square divided by 1 minus 6 into 0 minus 7 into 0 square. So numerator answer is what? Here total 0, here 0, here 0, 0. So then 6 divided by 1, it is equals to 6. Fourth problem, limit extends to infinity, x cube minus 8 divided by 2x cube plus 1. So here greatest power term is x cube. So then limit extends to infinity, numerator divide with x cube and denominator also divide with x cube. So now limit extends to infinity, split into fractions, x cube by x cube minus 8 by x cube divided by 2x cube divided by x cube plus 1 by x cube. So it is equals to limit extends to infinity. Here x cube cancel, so 1. 8 divided by x cube divided by x cube cancel, 2 plus 1 by x cube. And we know that x is tends to infinity, then 1 by x tends to 0. So then limit 1 by x tends to 0, 1 minus 8 into 1 by x whole cube divided by 2 plus 1 by x whole cube. So now substitute 1 by x equals 0, 1 minus 8 into 0 cube divided by 2 plus 1 by x whole cube means 0 cube. So then 1 minus 8 into 0 cube is 0 divided by 2 plus 0, so 1 by 2 is answer. Fifth problem, limit x tends to infinity x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So here the greatest power is 1, so that is x, then numerator divide with x, denominator also divide with x. So now limit x tends to infinity, split into fractions, x by x plus 1 by x divided by x by x plus 2 by x. So limit x tends to infinity, x by x answer 1, 1 by x by x answer 1, 2 by x. And we know that x tends to infinity, so then 1 by x tends to, so then limit x tends to, 1 by x tends to 0, so 1 plus 1 by x divided by 1 plus 2 by x can write as a 2 into 1 by x. Now substitute 1 by x equals 0, so 1 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 2 into 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1 divided by 1 plus 2 into 0 is 0, so 1 by 1 equals to 1. Fourth bit, first problem, limit x tends to 4, root x minus 2 divided by x minus 4. Substitute x equals to 4, so root 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 4. Root 4 answer is 2 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 4. 2 minus 2 is 0 divided by 0, so then it is indeterminate form. So if you're getting indeterminate form, we need to solve the question in another way. So that is here root x minus 2 divided by x minus 4 equals to limit x tends to 4, root x minus 2 divided by x I am writing as a root x whole square, because square root cancel, then you will get x as it is, okay, minus 4 can write as a 2 square. So here a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. So then it is equals to limit x tends to 4, root x minus 2 divided by root x plus 2 into root x minus 2. Root x minus 2, root x minus 2 cancel, so limit x tends to 4, 1 divided by root x plus 2. Now substitute x equals to 4, 1 divided by root x. Root x means under root 4 plus 2. So 1 divided by under root 4 is 2. So then 1 by 4 is our required answer. Second question, limit x tends to 0, x divided by 1 minus under root 1 minus x. Substitute x equals to 0. So 0 divided by 1 minus under root 1 minus 0. So 0 divided by 1 minus under root 1. So 0 divided by 1 minus root 1 answer is 1. So 0 by 0. So then it is indeterminate form. So now limit x tends to 0. Let us rationalize the denominator. So rationalizing factor of denominator is 1 plus under root 1 minus x. So 1 plus under root 1 minus x divided by 1 plus under root 1 minus x. So here a minus b, here a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So then limit x tends to 0, x into 1 plus under root 1 minus x divided by 1 square minus under root 1 minus x whole square. Here square root cancel, so limit x tends to 0, x into 1 plus under root 1 minus x divided by here 1 square 1 minus here bracket of 1 minus x. So then limit x tends to 0, x into 1 plus under root 1 minus x divided by here remove the bracket, so then minus 1 plus x. Here 1 minus 1 cancel, limit x tends to 0, x into 1 plus under root 1 minus x divided by x, then x cancel, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus under root 1 minus x. Now substitute x equals to 0, so 1 plus under root 1 minus 0, 1 plus under root 1 minus 0 answer is 1, so it is equals to 2. So 2 is our required answer. Third problem, limit x tends to 0, under root 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x divided by 2x. Substitute x equals to 0, so 1 plus 0 minus 1 minus 0, 2 into 0, 1 plus 0 is root 1, 2 into 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0 by 0, so 1 minus 1, 0 by 0, so then it is a indeterminate form. So let us rationalize the numerator. So the rationalizing factor of numerator is under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x by under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x. So limit x tends to 0, here a minus b, a plus b, it is equals to what? A square minus b square. So under root 1 plus x whole square minus under root 1 minus x whole square divided by 2x into under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x. So then square root cancel, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x minus bracket of 1 minus x divided by 2x into under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x. So it is equals to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x, now remove the bracket, then minus 1 plus x divided by 2x bracket of under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x. So it is equals to limit x tends to 0, here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, x plus x is what? 2x, so 2x bracket of under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x. 2x cancel, limit x tends to 0, 1 divided by under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x. Now substitute x equals 0, 1 by under root 1 plus 0 plus under root 1 minus 0, 1 by under root 1 plus 0 is 1, here 1, so 1 by 2 is our required answer. Fourth question, limit x tends to 0, under root 5 plus x minus under root 5 minus x divided by x. Here x tends to 0 means substitute x equals 0, so then under root 5 plus 0 minus under root 5 minus 0 by 0. Under root 5 plus 0 is 5, under root 5 minus 0 is root 5 by 0. Root 5 cancel, so 0 by 0. So then it is indeterminate form. So let's solve the, let us rationalize the numerator. So the rationalizing factor of numerator is here under root 5 plus x plus under root 5 minus x divided by root 5 plus x plus under root 5 minus x. So limit x tends to 0, a minus b, here a plus b, so then the formula is a square minus b square. So root 5 plus x whole square minus root 5 minus x whole square divided by x into root 5 plus x plus root 5 minus x. Here square root cancel. So limit x tends to 0, 5 plus x minus bracket of 5 minus x by x into root 5 plus x plus root 5 minus x. So then limit x tends to 0, 5 plus x, now remove the bracket, minus 5 plus x divided by x into root 5 plus x plus root 5 minus x. So then limit x tends to 0, 5 plus x, here plus 5 minus 5 cancel, x plus x 2x divided by x into root 5 plus x plus root 5 minus x. Here x cancel, then limit x tends to 0, 2 divided by root 5 plus x plus root 5 minus x. Now substitute x equals 0, 2 divided by root 5 plus 2 plus root 5 minus 2. Root 5 plus 0 plus root 5 minus 0. 2 divided by root 5 plus 0 is a root 5. Here also root 5. 2 divided by root 5 plus root 5, 2 root 5. 2 cancel, 1 by root 5 is our required answer. Fifth question, limit x tends to infinity x bracket of root x square plus 4 minus x. So to cancel the square root, first we need to do the rationalizing. So limit x tends to infinity x into under root x square plus 4 minus x. Now this term multiply with x square plus 4 plus x and divide with under root x square plus 4 plus x. So limit x tends to infinity x into here a minus b, it is a plus b, so then a square minus b square and denominator is root x square plus 4 plus x. Limit x tends to infinity. So here square root cancel, x bracket of x square plus 4 minus x square divided by root x square plus 4 plus x. So it is equals to limit x tends to infinity. Here x square minus x square cancel, so x into 4 divided by root x square plus 4 plus x. So limit x tends to infinity, 4 into x under root, here I am taking the x square common. See here, if you taking x square common, 1 place, the 4 will become 4 by x square. 4 by x square. Next to plus x. So limit x tends to infinity, 4x divided by, yeah, this square x square will come outside. So x square, if you because here square root is there, then x will come next to under root 1 plus 4 by x square plus x. Now in the denominator we can take the x common, so here plus 1, here x cancel. So limit x tends to infinity, 4 divided by under root 1 plus 4 by x square plus 1. So we know that if x tends to infinity, then 1 by x will become 0. So then 4 divided by under root 1 plus 4 into 0 because here 4 by x square means what is that? 4 into 1 by x whole square. So but 1 by x is a 0. So then plus 1. So 4 divided by root 1, answer is 1 plus 1. So 4 divided by 2, it is equals to 2. Sixth bit first problem, limit extends to 4 log x cube plus under root x square plus 1280 base 10. X tends to 4 means substitute x equals to 4. So then log 4 cube, 4 cube plus under root 4 square plus 1280 base 10. So log 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, 64, 4 square 16, 1280 base 10. So log 64 plus 1296 base 10. So log 64 square root of 1296 is 36. So plus 36 base 10. So 64 plus 36 equals to log 100 base 10. Log 100 can write as a 10 square, and here log a to the power of m formula, that is m log a. So then 2 into log 10 base 10, but log 10 base 10 answer 1, it is equals to 2. Second problem, limit extends to 2 log x to the power of 6 plus under root x square plus 1292 base 10. So here substitute x equals to 2. So log 2 power 6 plus under root 2 square plus 1292 base 10. So log 2 power 6 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 times. So it is equals to 64. 64 plus 2 square 4 plus 1292 base 10. So log 64 plus under root 1292 plus 4 is 1296. So base 10. So log 64 plus 1296 square root, answer is 36. So base 10. So then it is equals to log 64 plus 36 is 100. So log 10 square, then 2 into log 10 base 10, 2 into 1 is 2. Seventh bit first problem, limit n tends to infinity 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash plus n square divided by n cube. Limit n tends to infinity. The formula for numerator is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, and denominator is n cube. So limit n tends to infinity, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 into n cube. So limit n tends to infinity, n, from this take the n common, so n into 1 plus 1 by n, from this take the n common, n into 2 plus 1 by n divided by 6 into n cube. So limit n tends to infinity, in the numerator we have a total 3 n, so n cube into 1 plus 1 by n, 2 plus 1 by n divided by 6 into n cube. So n cube cancel, and we know that n tends to infinity, then 1 by n tends to 0, So substitute 1 by n equals 0. 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 divided by 6. 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 0 2 by 6. 2 ones are 2 3s are 1 by 3 is the answer. Seventh bit second problem, limit n tends to infinity 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash plus n square divided by 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dash n cube. So let's substitute the formulas for the numerator and denominator. Numerator formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, and denominator formula n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So now limit n tends to infinity n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, and this fraction will becomes reverse 4 divided by n square into n plus 1 whole square. Here square n plus 1 square n cancel, 2 2s are 2 3s are. So then limit n tends to infinity. Here numerator answer is what? 2 into 2n plus 1, and denominator answer is n into n plus 1, and here 3 also. Now from the numerator let's take the n common. Here 2 into n, then 2n will become 2, 1 will becomes 1 by n divided by 3 into n into, here also we can take the n common, so 1 plus 1 by n. Now here n cancel, so limit n tends to infinity 2 by 3 into 1 by n into 2 plus 1 by n divided by 1 plus 1 by n. We know that n tends to infinity, then 1 by n tends to 0. So then substitute 0 at the place of 1 by n. It is equals to 2 by 3 into 0 into 2 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0. 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 0 is a 1, but here 0 is there, then the 0 into anything is always 0. So third problem, limit n tends to infinity 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dash plus n cube divided by n to the power of 4. So limit n tends to infinity. The formula for numerator is n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 divided by n to the power of 4. So limit n tends to infinity n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 into n to the power of 4 can write as a n square into n square. Then n square cancel. Limit n tends to infinity. So n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 into n square. Now in the numerator let's take the n common. So 1 plus 1 by n and whole square divided by 4 into n square. So limit n tends to infinity. Apply the square for n and for this term. So then n square into n plus 1 plus 1 by n whole square divided by 4 into n square. Here n square cancel, so limit n tends to infinity. So 1 plus 1 by n whole square divided by 4, and we know that n tends to infinity, then 1 by n tends to 0. So then it is equals to 1 plus 0 whole square divided by 4. 1 plus 0 is 1, so 1 square divided by 4, it is equals to 1 by 4.